Did you know that one of history's greatest minds was brutally murdered simply for being too smart? Meet Hypatia of Alexandria, the most brilliant mathematician of her time. In the 4th century, she invented the astrolabe, solved complex math problems, and taught philosophy to students who traveled from across the entire Roman Empire just to learn from her. But Hypatia lived in dangerous times. Alexandria was exploding with conflict between Christians and pagans. As the last great teacher of ancient Greek wisdom, she became a target. Bishop Cyril saw her as a threat to Christianity. In 415 AD, his followers struck. They dragged Hypatia from her chariot in broad daylight, stripped her naked, and hauled her into a church. There, they tore her apart piece by piece using sharp pottery shards. Her murder sent shockwaves across the ancient world. Scholars fled Alexandria in terror. The great library fell silent. The city that had been the center of learning for centuries died with her. Hypatia's death marked the beginning of the Dark Ages, when Europe lost its greatest minds to fear and hatred.